Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So ako po yung kapatid niyong Kristiyano, settler na taga Parliament din, nakikiisa at nagpapasalamat sa pag-imbita niyo sa amin ngayong hapon na makiisa sa panawagang palayain ang Palestine. Today, we unite for the 2025 Sadaqah Drive for Gaza under the theme From Cotabato City, Bangsamoro to Gaza, a lifeline of hope and humanity. It is not just about providing material aid. It is about offering hope, compassion, and solidarity to those in Gaza who continue to endure significant hardship. Together we stand in belief that humanity can transcend all borders. As we extend our support, we Christians in the Bangsamoro must acknowledge the deepest challenges faced by the people of Gaza. The ongoing situation described by Jonathan Wilford from the United Nations as a crisis that defies decency and humanity calls for global unity and solidarity. While our efforts today provide some relief, lasting peace will only come when all parties engage in meaningful dialogue. True peace can only be built on courage, justice, mutual understanding, and a shared commitment to dignity and security.